beautiful house are. We are going to have ourselves a 5-pack Matchbox unboxing. And look at that. MBX Wagons. Quite a selection. Let's open it and have a look. Let's start off with a 1971 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. I don't have any of these. It's cool. Wood panel graphics. Beige interior, blue color, and some silver in the rims. That is nice. Alright. Next up, we got the 59 Chevy wagon from Chevrolet. Vacation packed Wild West horse. That's a cool car. Kind of purple colored. Old style tires. It's cool. And then we got the Cadillac CTS wagon. Gotta love a Cadillac. This would look nice in my garage. Kind of dark purple color. Good graphics in front. Cool tires. A lot of silver in those rims. Alright. And then we got the 1964 Ford Fairlane wagon. I have never seen one of these. That is cool. Kind of a grayish color, beige interior. All style tires. Cool. And we got the number 5 and the last one. Beautiful gray colors. That is the 22 Audi RS6 Avant. Beautiful car. Love to have this in my garage. Plain dark gray. Good printing on the front and back. And cool tires. Alright. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, put a thumbs up if you liked the video, and hit the notification bell if you want a warning each time I release new content. And I'm gonna photoshoot this into my garage, and I'll see you later.